it's passing to 6 and 7.
You don't?
It's look at the avionics there.
Oh.
So and then it's passing to 6 and 7.
So what time is it?
It's 7.
Are you sure?
It's between 7 and 6.
Oh, it's between. Are you sure it's 7? Oh. Oh, what time is it? 6 o'clock. Oh. 5. Oh, go.
No, look.
Oh, look.
It's 7 o'clock.
Oh, what time is it?
It's passing to 8 and 7.
Oh, what time is it?
7.
7 ano?
7:30.
Yan. Good job. What else?
Oh, it's 8 o'clock. How about this?
Oh, ano yan? What time is it?
8:30.
Yes, correct. Good job, Sayan. What else?
Hey, look. What time is it?
Oh, what time is it?
Passing to 9 and 10.
Oh.
It's passing to Sean and Sampo.
Xiaomin 10. Oh. What time is it?
It's Sampo. It's Sean.
Oh, ano nga oras?
It's 9:30.
Correct. Oh, what else?
And then, what time is it?
Hmm.
It's passing to Sampo and dalawang isa.
Anong dalawang isa? 11.
It's passing to
10.
and
11.
then it's labing isa.
So, what time is it po?
It's 10.
10 what?
10:30.
Yan. Go.
It's the ball. How about this? Oh!
Oh my G. Oh, what time is it?
Oh my G, it's passing to 2 again.
It's passing to 2 again. It's 11, between 11 and 12.
It's into labing isa. It's passing to labing isa and labing dalawa.
Yan. Oh, what time is it?
It's 11.
11 what?
11:30.
Correct.
And then
And then,
oh, what time is it?
oh, what time? Let me check. May I see?
It's past.
Mm.
Oh my G's.
What time is it?
Oh my G's.
Oh, what time is it?
It's passing to 12 and 1.
Oh, what time is it?
12.
12 what?
12:30.
Correct. Oh, again, dali.
Look, it's into TikTok too.
Mm.
Oh, it's going backwards. It's passing to 1 and 2.
What time is it?
1.
1 what? 1 ano?
1 o'clock.
Are you sure? What time is it?
It's passing to 1 and 2.
Oh, ano oras yan?
1.
1 ano?
1:30.
Correct. Just like this in your module. Oh, see? It's the same. It's
Hey,
1:30.
How about this?
How about this? Copy mo.
This.
What time is it?
It's between from 5 and 6.
What time is it? Oh, ano oras nga to? Ano oras yan?
5 o'clock. This.
Oh, ano yan? What time is it?
No,
Oh, ano oras yan?
not there.
Hmm. Mhm.
I can't sneeze.
Yan, siyan, siyan.
Just like this.
Hmm.
See? What time is it?
Oh, what time is it, siyan?
5 and 6.
Oh, what time is it?
6.
Anong 6?
5.
5 what?
5:30.
Correct.
How about
Oh, tagutin na si module mo.
this? It's passing. It's the same like this.
So, what time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
Ito?
Yeah.
Hmm.
This.
How about this?
No, there.
Oh, there, yan.
It's passing to 10. 10.